welcome back to Moonstone Crafts and welcome to a kind of unboxing video. I did unbox it already out of the box, but I wanted to share this new calendar that I got for 2021 with you guys because it's beautiful art and I couldn't resist pointing this artist out to you. Maybe we could get her to be signed by one of the diamond painting companies because her artwork is beautiful. And I don't think she is signed yet with a diamond painting company, but maybe I'm wrong. If you know that she is, please let me know, because I would buy her work if I know. But it's from Sylvia Strijk, which is a Dutch artist. So she's also a Dutch artist. And I'm from the Netherlands, so for me it was really fun. I was actually searching for a calendar for 2021 because I was like, in December, I was like, oh, I don't have any new calendar. I have a calendar every year. And I was just like, I was on Etsy. I was like, let's just type it in and see what comes up. And mostly I tried to select only Dutch first because it comes quicker if it's already in the Netherlands. So I was like, oh, let me see. And this one came up pretty quick as the first page. And I saw it. It was a Mermaid Calendar for 2021 from Sylvia Strijk, as I said before. It was 22 euros and 7 euros cent cost, shipping cost. So it was 29 euros in total, which is fine. I actually purchased this on the 21st of December. And I got it Christmas Eve, so the 24th of December, which is so quick. She was really quick. She sent a nice email saying like, if you want to share it on Instagram or something, please tag me. And I was like, sure, but I just want to make a video of it as well. I didn't say that to her, but maybe she's watching. So hey Sylvia, thank you. It's really nice. So I'm gonna show you every month because it's just beautiful art. This is just the cover. Of the calendar. She has such great art and I'm so happy that we have a Dutch artist that makes this kind of beautiful art. So let's get into January. It's January. It's a kind of calendar with just small days here. I'm not using my calendar to write anything down anymore because I had to have a bullet journal and stuff, so it wasn't necessary. I'm not using that side of the calendar anymore, so that's why I was like, this is perfect. This is the pig and that's the month January. It's so beautiful. I love this. Alright, let's get on to the next one. February. There we go. I hope you can see it right. I'm just trying to show you as much as I can, but it's pretty big. So gorgeous. And I'm gonna, of course, link her Etsy shop, her Instagram that I know of, or any other things that I know she has on, this is scary but so cool, on the description. So please check her out. She's a beginning artist, I think. I think she did a crowdfunding for this calendar to come out. I didn't know about that, but... So this is March. Look at that, she's so dark, so that's gorgeous. That will be such a good diamond painting. Ooh, this is so... Oh, they're all my favorites, I have to say. They're all my favorite, they're so cool. Look at that. It's such a different as well. April, May. So please go check this artist out on Instagram at least. Give her a follow. And you can buy this calendar, I think, still at her Etsy shop. So maybe I will also just give a link to this calendar. I will give a link to her Etsy shop, but also to this calendar. If it's still there, this is gorgeous as well. Look at all the little fishies swimming around her in the sea. Can't wait to watch this all month when I just put it up. Every month there's gonna be such nice pictures. This one creeps me out a bit, and this is my birthday month, so it's so busy as well. Look at the eyes. She has one eye and then the other one is empty. It's kind of creepy. But I love the colors in this one. But this one would be really busy if this was a diamond painting. Let's go to August. Look at these flowers at the bottom. So cool. Look at that. She's gorgeous. They're all gorgeous. She has so much talent. September. Ooh. She's a mermaid as well. But I was saying before, it is a mermaid calendar. Just trying to get rid of the glare that's coming from the outside. She has red eyes. And please let me know in the comments after I finish this, which of the months, like which drawing or painting or whatever it is, which month do you like most? Which image, let's say it like that, which image do you like most? Which one would you want to see in a diamond painting and make? This has a lot of black backgrounds. Just saying. But it's cool that's 3 of them in this one. But yeah, let me know which of the months is your favorite. This is November. Look at her head. Look at all the stuff that's on there. It's so cool. It's so original as well. I've never seen art like this before. That's what I like. Every artist has something different. And last but not least, December, which is one of my favorites, I think. Look at, I have to make a confession. I like a lot of white. So she has a lot of whites in here, and that's why I think I like this one a lot. Look at the little fishy at the bottom there. So cute. But yeah, that's pretty. And that's it. That's also the cover. So you've seen that one before. So the last month is the cover as well. So I just wanted to share with you guys my new calendar that I got. It's very special. I will link her Instagram, any other socials that I can find that I know of. Her Etsy shop, of course. The direct link to this calendar if it's still available. And I just want to, you know, ask you guys to go follow her on Instagram at least, if you have Instagram. Just give her a follow because she has great art. If you haven't heard of her being at any diamond painting company, let me know as well. Maybe I could write an email to Diamond Art Club. Then maybe they can approach her. I don't know if she's even open to making her art into diamond paintings, but you know, I think they would be stunning and I would definitely buy them. So yeah, let me know what you think about that as well, or if you've seen her art on any licensed art websites, like not on a AliExpress or something, because I know that they're not licensed, but like with a licensed diamond painting company, if you've seen them, let me know. Otherwise, let me know if you think they would be good, and also let me know which month was your favorite. So I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!